Kartik Aaryan has been away from the limelight for almost 9 months now, but Bollywood's naughty and nice romantic hero is poised to make a dhamakedar comeback in 2021 with almost 4 back-to-back films ready for filming and release.
मिलेनियल हार्टथ्रॉब कार्तिक आर्यन जब भी ऑन स्क्रीन आते हैं धमाका कर जाते हैं। अपने गुड लुक्स, ग्रेट है या फिर मोनोलॉग कहने के अंदाज से the actor has captured the imagination of an entire nation, rapidly becoming Gen Z's favorite lover boy or should I say lovable bad boy. कार्तिक है बॉलीवुड के इमर्जिंग सितारों में से एक। But who is Kartik's favorite star and how did he deal with being at home for almost the entire year? Take a look.
While he may be experimenting with the thriller genre soon, कार्तिक कहते हैं कि वो अपनी लवर बॉय इमेज को इतनी आसानी से नहीं छोड़ेंगे। Kartik, who spent some months of the lockdown in his hometown Gwalior as well, is back in Mumbai to resume work on his films that were delayed because of the lockdown. अपने बर्थडे पर कार्तिक made an explosive announcement and shared that he has signed a thriller film, Dhamaka, to be directed by Ram Madhwani. But does that mean he is no longer interested in playing the rom-com hero? कार्तिक ने एक इंटरव्यू में अपने करियर चॉइसेस, क्वारंटीन लर्निंग्स और फ्यूचर प्लान्स को डिस्कस किया and shared that while he is experimenting with new roles, he will never stop playing the lover boy. Kartik has said in the past that he loves being a hero with mass appeal. He is excited by the opportunities that OTT platforms are offering to slightly offbeat and experimental stories as well. But massy ho ya offbeat, his first criteria for choosing a script is its entertainment value. अगर स्क्रिप्ट उन्हें एंगेज और एंटरटेन नहीं कर सकती, तो स्टोरी चाहे जितनी भी हटके हो, he chooses not to associate himself with that project. The actor surprised his fans when he announced the movie Dhamaka, which is a completely different genre from his usual choice of romance and comedy. But if you thought Kartik is changing tracks completely, you couldn't be more wrong. कार्तिक ने अपने इंटरव्यू में कहा कि धमाका उनके करियर की सबसे कमर्शियल फिल्म है and it's much more than just a thriller. Kartik chose to be a part of Dhamaka to expand his brand of cinema, लेकिन वो lover boy image को shed करने के लिए तैयार नहीं है. In fact, he feels that this image is a privilege that puts him in the same category as SRK, who is his favorite romantic hero even today. During the lockdown, कार्तिक ने अपने वर्चुअल चैट टॉक शो कोकी पूछेगा के थ्रू अपने अलग अंदाज में लोगों को दिखाया that he was surprised to see people respond to his more serious avatar with warmth and love. This has given him hope that people will accept him in non-comic roles as well. But when asked if handling the failure of Love Aajkal has anything to do with his decision of experimenting, Kartik disagrees. In fact, उनका मानना है कि he learnt a lot from being a part of an Imtiaz Ali film and he was happy that his performance was appreciated by his admirers. After an unexpected break, Kartik says he feels energized and positive, ready to take on his upcoming projects and work with some brilliant filmmakers on some very entertaining films. We can't wait to be entertained by you either, Kartik, and here's hoping कि 2021 आपके लिए बहुत ही lucky रहे.